Hello everybody, welcome to Creative Learners. Today I am going to talk about the college segment, that is the history of English literature. In my last video, I have uploaded some slides of the ages describing history of English literature. But today I am going to start with the Anglo-Saxon age, that is the first part of the history of English literature. So let's begin. Yes, we all know that the mass or the commoners considered English to be a language of the Americans or the Britons. But what is it? It is something that we all must know, that English is not about England or America. It's all about German. Let us reveal some of the important facts about the social context and political era of the England in those times. So we know that the Britain, that is the land of England, was actually belonged to the Celtic natives who had settled there with the Aryan civilization in the west. These Celtic people were known as Brythons, who settled in the Britain at that time. So we all know that Romans had conquered Britain in 43 AD. In the 5th century, there came a Teutonic tribe, consisting 3 other types of tribe, names Angles, Saxons and the Jutes. These 3 tribes came from Germany. Now let's see some interesting things. We know the word England. This word England has been derived from the Teutonic tribes. Moreover, if we say the word English, that's also not an English word. This is also derived from the Teutonic group. So it's an interesting fact to listen that the word England has been derived from the word Angul, a place where the ancients lived, and English has came from the Teutonic word Angliska, which in Old English called Englisk. Okay, these are the important facts that one should know about the word that has been came. So in this context, I want to tell you that there are also many words that we are using in our daily lives in English are not really English words. We had some foreign influences on language, on words, which I'll also make a video and tell you about the facts and interesting points about the words that we are using in our daily lives. So now we heard about the word Teutonic. Now there is a question, how this Teutonic people or how these Teutonic tribes had built their own life, what they did in their own life. These Teutonic tribes were not food producers. Okay, they spent their life by fighting and hunting and gathering food. So this is the context, what they do, what they don't do. Moreover, there is also an interesting fact that this tribe also had a literature of their own. Now, interestingly, this literature is only composed of poetries and songs. And a fact to note, that they don't have any written documents. They only have practices of oral tradition of literature. Now, if we consider their poetry is divided into 2 parts. Number 1, unwritten poetry. Now, this unwritten poetry is something that is carried from mouth to mouth and undergoes several changes. Number 2 is oral pagan poetry. This oral pagan poetry was written by the Christian clerks after several years of the invasion of these Germanic tribes. Now, it is a controversial thing. Some historians tell that pagan thinkings have certainly changed with the transience of the Christian clerks when they are writing about the unwritten poetry again. In this transition, themes didn't change. What changes is the plot. Okay. So we will also learn in our next video what are the poems that were included in the Anglo-Saxon age. What happened after Anglo-Saxon? How did the tribe move on? This much for today. For more videos, you need to subscribe my channel. Till then, like it, comment below and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Till then, stay safe. Have a nice day. Thank you.